Ciao! Welcome to another video, a new vlog. We're going to Milan, so welcome. Getting the train to London in about an hour's time, and then I'm staying overnight tonight in a hotel in London, and we're flying from London airport tomorrow morning. I'm gonna have the best time, drink lots of coffee, eat lots of pizza. Who wants to come with me? You can't because I'm already gone and this video is uploaded. I've literally spent the whole morning like doing some last minute packing, prepping. I've got my suitcase and all my things ready to go in the hallway. I'm meeting up with someone from work. So it's like it's the prize for winning the Barista of the Year regional final. So it's there's 10 of us all together from across the UK that won the regionals. We all come together and go together. So we were all at the final together. So I'm meeting one of the girls that I met when I was at the final of the, you know, all goppy goopy. My hair has been really well behaved today, and I hope it stays this way. I put a sugar ton of hairspray in it, and I hope that it stays. But yeah, I'm gonna pack this camera into my bag, get my shoes on, get my coat together, order myself an Uber, and head to the station. Let's go. Hi guys, it's later on. I'm now in the hotel in London. I honestly can't tell you the journey I have had. Train was fine, apart from the fact that the girl next to me had a cat in the bag. Like a genuine cat in a bag. It was strange. Then I got off the train, got into London, met my friend, and we got an Uber to what I thought was the hotel. Turns out there's two of the same hotels with the same name. Obviously I've not booked the hotel, it's all booked with work. Like work have just sent me, just saying, you go here and they'll... So then we got to the complete wrong hotel, then had to come on the tube, went the wrong way on the tube, so I had to get off the tube, go around and come back the other way on the tube. And then now we finally got here, checked in, and it's actually a really nice room. I'll give you a room tour. Whee! Little room tour. So got the door, got a little vanity area with a mirror, then we've got a full length mirror. And is this a wardrobe? No? Oh, it's just like in there. Oh, that's clever. TV, little desk. I'm actually only here for one night, so I won't use anything very much. Got a little view, little city view. I don't know if this opens or if I'm barred from opening that. Chair to sit and ponder. Bed. Bathroom is in here. Ew. There's a little shower there. It's gone 9 o'clock, so it's pretty late for me. I think I'm gonna think about grabbing some food because I'm starving, and then we'll see where the night takes us. I might have a glass of wine in the hotel bar. Why not? Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday. Bit of a different Monday than usual, isn't it? I'm all dressed and ready. This is today's outfit. My top's a little bit creased, but you know, that's what happens when you're packing from a suitcase. Got these jorts on, shoes and sockies, and this t-shirt with watches on from Isus, and I'm wearing my Carhartt flight bag. Got my book in here. I'm about to have a wander around where I am. I'm not very central in London, so I don't really know this area very well. So I'm going to walk and find the nearest coffee shop. I think there's a Nero down the road. It's just on brand for the trip that I'm on, isn't it? So let's go get coffee, maybe a little pastry, and a little walk. My hair at the back. Oops. Oopsie. So I did in fact walk myself to... Is this zoomed in again? I did in fact walk myself to a Cafe Nero that was closed. My hair's gone skewered from the wind, so I've had to come to a Starbucks. So please don't tell anybody from Cafe Nero that I did this, because I tried to go to a Cafe Nero. Okay, the idea was there, but it's not open, so I can't do anything with one that's not open. So I've got myself a coffee and a sausage sandwich. I'm going to sit outside, enjoy the sun, and then head back to the hotel and pack everything away. Airport duty-free time. They've actually got a diptyque stand. So I've just smelt Orpheon for the first... I've never smelt this in person before because it's always sold out in Space NK, and it actually smells really, really nice. I smelt that, sprayed a little bit of Halfetti and Le Papier because that reminds me of Heidi, so I just sniffed that to remember. Well, you know, when you're at the airport, just a little tipple drink. I didn't buy any fragrance from duty free. I was really close to buying it. The Jo Malone fragrance that I bought in London for £122 was £95, so I should have waited, but no. we have made it. Well, that's very simple, isn't it? Made it to Milan. Hotel room tour. Bathroom. In Italian, we have got a bidet, shower, roulette. Just FYI, this is how the toilet flushes. To hold this tap on and then off. Crazy. The room is the most Italian thing I've ever seen in my entire life. TV, full length there with wardrobe. There's no view. It just literally goes on to other people's rooms. So I can now see why this was down. We're now about to head to the pool and have a Hugo Spritz. Let's get on it, girls. So it's now a bit later. I've come up to the room and changed into these trousers. We're gonna have a little dinner outfit on. I only bought those pair of shoes. No, I didn't think about spare shoes. But the plug socket, they don't work. Probably shouldn't put my finger in there. So I'm gonna have to ask reception about that because obviously I need to be able to charge my phone. We sat by the pool, we had a couple of drinks. I sat and read my book. I'm reading a book called Giovanni's Room. Which one of my friends gave to me. He said that I'd like it because it's similar to Call Me By Your Name, and it is so far. We're gonna go down, have some dinner now, and then head to bed, ready for tomorrow. We've got like a full day of activities on the trip tomorrow. I don't really know how much I'm gonna be able to actually film of the things that we're doing. I'm just filming as much as I can, like when I can. Sort of updating, taking photos, and I take little clips on my phone as well when I can, just like take things, but obviously I can't always talk. Up the lighting in here does not do me any favours whatsoever. Hello. Happy next day. I'm up, I've got dressed and I'm ready. I've got about 5 minutes until I need to meet everybody down in the lobby. So I'm wearing these pinstripe, well you can't even tell that they're oh you can. Pinstripe shorts, my oranges t-shirt that everybody likes. So today we're going to a latte art masterclass. Espresso experience, like tasting espresso, about like, I don't know. Can't actually remember like fully what's actually going on. I'm just gonna pack all my bits into my bag now that I need for the day. Anything that I don't need into my suitcase, I need to go downstairs and meet everybody. A little bit later on. Not really spoke to the camera for a bit because it's all been like, you know, little bits of clips and clops. But we've now made it to the next hotel in central Milan. So like the view is, you know, yeah, stunning. Little room tour. This is the room, bar, TV, bathroom. We're at Jess. I'm now gonna lie down on that and scroll on my phone and not speak to anybody for an hour. Amazing. Good morning, girls. It is the final day in Milan at a Paul's Coldplay. I've got 5 minutes. Why do I keep being like, I've got 5 minutes till I get downstairs? I don't know what's happened with me on this trip, but I'm not early for anything. Anyway, so we've got the last day in Milan today, which is the day that I've been looking forward to the most. It's downtown coffee tour. So we're going to, so the guy that's hosting us here in Italy from like the Coffee Academy is going to take us to all his favourite coffee shops across downtown Milan. So you know that sounds like a good day for me. Little outfit of the day. Gone very simple today. You know when you're running out of t-shirts? So I've got this. It's like a Soleil t-shirt. It's got little, you know, a little bit of detail in the back. These blue Zara jeans, obviously socks, and then I'm gonna have to wear my green shoes even though I'm wearing all blue. But that's okay. I look tired because I didn't go to bed until gone 4 AM because we were downstairs in the bar drinking. So yeah, I'm gonna head downstairs, then we're gonna head into downtown Milan, coffee, pastry, dream day. This pizza place is Keith Haring themed. Can you like, how stunning. It's like heaven. Right guys, it's free time in Milan. So we've just been to the pizza place, which is all Keith Haring themed. The pizza was stunning. And I just had a little Sprite. No alcoholic drinks today, so I've not really spent much money since we landed, so I'm now gonna do 3 days worth of spending in 3 hours. Lush, Pull & Bear, Zara, Bershka, one thing from everywhere I think. Spend all my money. Lush, no, they'll damn it. Oh, good morning. I could get used to this, couldn't I? Room service breakfast in my robe. I feel like an absolute prince.